This video will guide you through how to download Pionex application on PC. To get the Pionex application on your PC, first go ahead and download an Android emulator. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Pionex app using BlueStacks Android emulator. If you don't have the app installed, go ahead and click open a web browser. Into the search box, type in bluestacks.com. Press enter on your keyboard and then make sure to download the BlueStacks Android emulator by clicking on this download link. You can also see all of the versions and pick the version you'd like to get started with. Once the download is completed, launch the BlueStacks Android emulator open. Once the Android emulator loads, you'll need to log in to your Google account. Enter one of the Google account's email and password and log into your Google account, and you'll be able to use your Play Store on PC. Once you get access to this page, click on the App Center button. Once you're inside the App Center, go to the search box and type in Pionex. Press enter on a keyboard to search. Now, go ahead and install the Pionex crypto trading bot application by clicking the install button right next to the app. Wait for the application to download and install. After the download is completed, click on the open button to launch open Pionex application on PC. Now, you'll be able to find the application in the main home page for your Android emulator. You can simply go ahead and click open the app and get started with Pionex.
How to download Pionex application on your mobile device. If you want to get the Pionex application downloaded on your mobile device, whether it is an iOS device or an Android device, then here's how you can do it. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. And after you are done, open up your App Store for your iOS device or your Play Store for your Android device. Once you open up your App Store or your Play Store, go to the search box at the top and type in Pionex, and then tap the search button at the lower right. Once you find this Pionex by BTC and Ethereum application, simply tap on the Get button in order to begin the downloading process. After a while, you'll be able to get the app downloaded right on your mobile devices. Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange application, which is a great platform for traders that are just getting started with the trading bots.
How you can download Pionex on your Android devices. So to get started, open up Play Store and then in the search bar type in Pionex. As you can see, the application of Pionex has been shown. Now to download it on your device, tap on the install button. The download duration will depend upon the speed of the internet. It could take a few seconds, even up to a few minutes, if your internet connection is rather slow. After the application has been installed, you can see an open button. Tap on it, and from here you will be able to sign up or sign in to your Pionex account. If you don't know how you can do that, watch the videos in our channel. How you can sign up and create an account for Pionex. Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can also get free trading bots. To sign up for Pionex, firstly you need to open the website of Pionex, which is pionex.com. From here you can click on the sign up option located on the top right. Now you can see a sign up page from where you can sign up for Pionex. You can either sign up using your phone number or your email address. I'm going to be using my email address. Start by typing in your email address and then create a password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long, and to make your password strong, include numbers and special characters. If you do have a referral code, then you can enter the code here. If not, then click on sign up. Slide this puzzle to verify that you're not a robot. Now, a verification code has been sent to your email address. You need to enter the code that has been sent to you. Enter the code and hit confirm. And just like that, you have been signed up for Pionex.
How to create Pionex account. If you want to get started with Pionex and create a new account, then first open your Pionex application or simply open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box type in www.pionex.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official site of Pionex. From the official page, you'll be able to find the sign up button. Simply tap on sign up and then enter the correct information on the next page to finish off your sign up process. You can either select the phone option and select your country code from the drop down and type in your phone number in the text box, or if you want to sign up using email, tap the email option and enter your correct email address into the email text box. After you enter a valid email address, go to the next field and create a password for yourself. After you create a strong password for yourself, if you've got a referral code with you, go ahead and type it into the referral code text box. Since it's an optional, you can also skip this step. After filling in your details, tap on the sign up button in orange. Or if you want to sign up quicker without entering your email address or your password, you can tap on sign up with Google or the Apple option. After you tap sign up, you might be asked to verify yourself as a human being, so go ahead and complete the task. Now, you'll need to verify your email address. If you've selected phone number option, you'll need to go ahead and enter the verification code sent to you via SMS. If you've chosen email, open up your email inbox associated with the account you are trying to create, and then you'll receive an inbox from Pionex. Click it open and then copy the verification code sent to you. Get back to the verification text box and paste in the code. Now tap on confirm. Now on the next page, you'll need to identify further verifications. Tap the verify button and then select your residential country or your region. Enter your full legal name on the next field and confirm all of these boxes at the bottom and tap on submit. After the verification process has been completed, you'll be able to sign up or create a new account for Pionex. Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange platform which is designed for traders that are just getting started with trading bots. How to log into Pionex account. If you want to log into your Pionex account, then first open your web browser on your mobile device or your computer. Into the URL box, search for www.pionex.com and search. Once you end up in the official web page of Pionex, tap the three lines at the top right hand corner and tap on sign in. In the sign in page, you can choose either phone or the email tab. If you choose phone option, you'll need to enter your mobile number associated with the Pionex account and your correct password. You can also choose the email option and enter your email address associated with your account and then your password. After typing in your correct credentials, tap on sign in and if prompted, you need to enter your verification SMS sent on your mobile device. Tap on confirm and you'll be able to log into your Pionex account.
How you can sign into your Pionex account. So what you need to do is firstly open up the website of Pionex, which is pionex.com, and then after you open the website, you can click on the sign in option. Now from here you can log in using your phone number if you used your phone number while you created your account, or use your email address if you used your email address while creating your account. Now type in your email address or your phone number and then type in the password that you created. If you want to reveal this password, then you can click on this eye icon. If you don't remember the password to your account, then you can click on forgot password and reset it, and you'll be able to create a new password. After you fill in this information, click on sign in. Now slide this puzzle to verify that you're not a robot. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You'll need to enter the code here in order to log in. After you enter the code, you can click confirm. And just like that, you will be logged in to your Pionex account. Now you can change the password of your Pionex account. To change the password of your Pionex account, firstly you need to open up the website of Pionex and then log into your account. Then after you're logged in, you can hover over your profile. Then a drop down menu will open. From there, you can click on account settings. Now you can see all the settings that you can manage on your account. To change your password, you can click on the reset button. You can either choose to reset your password using your phone number or your email. I'm going to be using my email address to do so. Type in your email address or your phone number. Then after you're done, hit next. Then slide this puzzle to verify that you're not a robot. Next, a verification code will be sent to your email address. You need to enter the code here. After you enter the code, you can click confirm. Now you'll be able to create a new password. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long, which must include special characters, letters, and numbers to make your password strong. Again, confirm your password. After you're done, you can hit submit. And just like that, you have changed the password of your Pionex account.
How to buy USDT on Pionex. If you are looking for a way to buy USDT on Pionex, then you can follow this simple step. Let's get on with it. First, open up your preferred web browser and type in pionex.com and search. Also make sure that you've created a Pionex account and make sure that you are logged into it. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap the menu bar at the top right hand corner and tap on Buy Crypto. Select either Express or SEPA and give it a click. Now on this page, you can easily buy the required amount of USD or any other coins. In today's video, since we are trying to buy some USDT, here is how you can do it. In the first text box where it says you want to spend, first make sure to select the currency by tapping on the drop down on the right corner. Select if you want to spend US dollar, euro, Canadian dollar or any other currencies over here and select your preferred one. In my case, I've selected USD. Enter the amount of USD you are willing to spend in the text box. Let me just type in 200 over here. Once you are done entering the price you would want to spend, on the next field, you'll now need to select USDT. Simply tap the drop down on the right corner and select whether you'd like to purchase some USDT, BTC or Ethereum. In my case, let me select the USDT option. Since it is already selected, let me just leave it exactly as it is. And then after you are done selecting USDT, you'll be able to see the amount of USDT you'll be receiving with this price. Now you can also go ahead and select any other payment method you'd like to purchase with. Since the best offer is with Alchemy Pay, let me go ahead and select one of the options under Alchemy Pay. Select the buy button right next to Visa, credit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay according to your preference, and then you'll be able to purchase USDT on Pionex. But remember that to be able to buy any other cryptocurrency, you'll first need to pass the KYC verification. If you have not yet completed your KYC verification, you will not be able to do so. So get on with it and verify your identity before you can purchase USDT or any other cryptocurrency on Pionex. How to buy Bitcoin on Pionex. If you're looking for a way to buy a Bitcoin on Pionex, then follow these steps. You can simply open up a web browser and go to the Pionex.com website, or simply open up your Pionex application and make sure to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for a new account. Also make sure to verify your account and ensure you have sufficient balance or you've deposited funds into your account. Once you've done all of that, simply go and tap on the menu bar at the top right hand corner from the main homepage of Pionex. From the list displayed inside the page, simply go ahead and tap on Buy Crypto. Select one of the methods you'd like to purchase your crypto. You can use the Express or SEPA method. Simply go ahead and tap on the option and you'll be taken to this page from where you can purchase BTC. Under You Will Receive, tap on the drop down and select BTC. You'll then need to go ahead and enter the amount you'd like to spend and select the currency you'd like to spend, and then you'll be able to see the value of Bitcoin you'll be getting right on the next tab. Right under, select the payment method you'd like to purchase and tap the buy button. After you are done entering all of the information, tap on buy at the top. And that is how you'll be able to buy Bitcoin on Pionex. But remember to have your account verified, since you won't be able to make any kind of a transaction with an unverified account.
How you can reset the password of your Pionex account. If you have forgotten the password to your account, then you'll need to follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So the first thing you need to do is open up the website of Pionex, which is pionex.com. And then after you open the website, you can go ahead and click on the sign in option. After you reach the sign in tab, you can see an option called forgot password. You'll need to click on this to be able to reset your password. Now you can either reset your password using your phone number or your email address. Choose whichever option you like. After you're done typing in the information, you can click next. Next, you need to solve this puzzle to confirm that you are not a robot. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address or your phone number, depending upon whichever option you choose. You'll need to type in the verification code that has been sent to you. Enter the code and click on confirm. Now you will be able to create a new password. Again, reconfirm your password. Make sure that your password matches, and then after you're done, you can click submit. And just like that, your password has been reset.
How you can delete your Pionex account. If you want to get rid of your Pionex account, then here are some quick steps you can follow. The first step is to open your Pionex app and log into your account. If you want to go with the web browser, open up your web browser and type in pionex.com and search. Once you're in the main homepage of Pionex, make sure that you're logged into your account like you normally do, and then after logging in, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner, which will open up your menu. At the top of the screen, tap on your email address or your username. In the expanded menu, tap Account Settings. Right under your account information, you'll be able to see the Delete Account button. Tap on it, and this will take you to this account deletion page. Go through the information first, and then confirm all of the statements that has been given in order to delete your account. Some of the important statements are: once you go ahead and delete your account, you'll lose all of the data related to the account and it cannot be recovered after deletion. Re-sign up with the account is forbidden within 30 days after deletion. Your account and all of its functions will also be disabled. Simply go ahead and make sure to confirm all of these statements in the page. And if you're sure you'd like to confirm your account's deletion, tap on Confirmation. Tap the next step in the pop-up and then wait for a few seconds. You'll need to now verify your identity. Enter the verification code that you received via SMS. After you do that, go to the next field and enter your email verification code. Open up the email inbox associated with Pionex and you'll receive a verification code via email. Tap it open and copy the verification code. Paste it inside the text box and then tap on confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your Pionex account. Remember that after deleting an account, the information that you delete is also suspended for rebind, KYC, and registration within 30 days after deletion. That was how you can easily delete your Pionex account if you no longer want to use it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from How to Crypto. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thanks for watching.